Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Etsy shops for affiliate marketing success step by step clearly. Start by defining your niche within the Etsy marketplace. Research trending products that align with your niche. Create an affiliate marketing plan that outlines your goals and target audience. Set up an Etsy shop if you don't have one already. Choose a shop name that reflects your brand and niche. Design a professional logo and banner for your shop. Add a compelling shop description that highlights your unique selling propositions. List your products with detailed descriptions that include relevant keywords. Use high-quality images to showcase your products effectively. Implement SEO strategies by using keywords in your product titles and tags. Join affiliate programs relevant to your niche, like Amazon or ShareASale. Generate unique affiliate links for products that you want to promote. Create engaging content around your linked products, such as blog posts or social media posts. Utilize email marketing to share affiliate links and product recommendations. Promote your Etsy shop and affiliate links on social media platforms. Join Etsy communities and groups to network and share your affiliate products. Utilize Etsy ads to promote your top-performing products. Track your performance through analytics to identify what works best. Adjust your strategy based on data for continuous improvement. Regularly update your shop with fresh content or new listings. Engage with your audience by responding to inquiries and feedback. Continuously educate yourself on trends and changes in the affiliate marketing landscape. Monitor your competitors to understand their strategies and improve your approach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.